Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for August 23rd, 2013. Of course, it's Friday and it's 8:30 a.m. We have temperatures in the lower 70s along the immediate coast and in the New York City and Philadelphia metropolitan areas, mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, and we have drier air building in as our cold front continues to sink to the south and clearing skies start to take hold. On the surface map, you can see that cold front is now south of New Jersey and will continue to sink south through the day. High pressure currently over the Great Lakes will continue to build in, and with that, falling humidity can be expected. So look for clouds to clear from northwest to southeast through the day, with an isolated, extremely isolated shot of a shower maybe over portions of, let's say, Cape May and Cumberland County in New Jersey, possibly even extreme southeastern Pennsylvania. But other than that, we're looking at dry conditions with clearing skies and temperatures rising into the lower to mid 80s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Here's the latest radar, and you can see pretty much dry conditions over the region. These showers are pretty much falling over portions of Maryland, Virginia, and West Virginia, and not much is reaching the ground over Pennsylvania, or at least central Pennsylvania. These showers will continue to move to the south and east through Virginia, but will remain south of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. But again, a few of these showers could clip portions of southern New Jersey this afternoon for a very short period of time. Very light, very isolated in nature, but I can't rule it out. The primary reason why these showers will not reach the ground is because dry air is building in, and much of these showers will basically become what's called virga, where you have precipitation falling from the air but not reaching the ground. Therefore, you just get cloudy skies followed by clearing conditions. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see that cold front dropping south and clearing skies on the way. Once this disturbance drops into the southern mid-Atlantic, look for clearing skies that are currently over much of New York to take hold over much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for this afternoon. And on the water vapor satellite picture, you can clearly see that dry air making its way to the south and east, with this high pressure pretty much in control for the entire forecast period on through, let's say Monday. Then after, a threat for showers and thunderstorms returns as a little bit more humid air mass starts to take hold over the region. Here is the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance once again. For this evening, we're on the back side of the trough, and that means high pressure is in control with clearing skies, dry conditions, low humidity, and temperatures falling into the 70s and 60s this evening. For tomorrow, high pressure will remain in control for Saturday and for Sunday, with temperatures basically ranging in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. Low temperatures in the upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast and in urban locations. Same conditions are set up for Monday, with high pressure slowly shifting off the coast, and that's going to mean that winds are going to start to shift to the southwest. Now, look at the pattern. At the surface, we're going to have winds developing from the southwest by Monday evening, but at the upper levels at 500 millibars, that flows still from the northwest. Why is this important? Because at the surface, we're going to have increasing levels of humidity, especially on Tuesday, where our temperatures start to rebound into the mid to upper 80s for most locations, except for the immediate coast, where we're going to be in the lower to mid 80s. So we're going to have increasing humidity and these disturbances dropping south and east from the Great Lakes towards the New Jersey coastal waters. And that, of course, is going to lead to the potential for scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon on through Tuesday through Friday. And that unfortunately is going to mean that we're going to be dealing with a rather active weather pattern with the threat for showers and thunderstorms each afternoon. A few of those thunderstorms could be severe, and of course our temperatures are going to be rather warm, basically above normal, with high levels of humidity. We're looking at mid to upper 80s. I don't really see any support for 90-degree temperatures. I think that's further west, say towards the Ohio River Valley and towards the Tennessee River Valley. However, look for mid to upper 80s. With the humidity, it'll feel like the lower to mid 90s. So the last week of August is going to feature summer-like conditions once again. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.